TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 26. You get the Nasdaq down 5. S&Ps are off 2.5. Gold contracts up $9.10, traded at $1,359 an ounce. Silver up 15 cents at $20.17 an ounce. You got platinum up $6, $11.46. Copper's down 3 pennies at $2.16 a pound. We have light sweet crude up 47 cents, $43.94 a barrel. Bonds, the 10-year note up 24 ticks, 132.25. 30-year bond up almost 2 full points at 173.21. Notes and bonds, folks, continue to want to go higher price, lower yield. They get the wide price spread today. They get the volume. They get all of the above. Bottom line, they want to go after their swing highs once again. King dollar down now 478 ticks, 95.36. Euro is trading at 111, and the yen is at 101. If we go over into the S&Ps and we take a look at the S&Ps, this is what you have. S&Ps yesterday closed at a high. If we take a look at the SPY, what you see, you're down 23 right now. You're at 118.41. I expect 218.94. That will get tested once again. NDX 100. Now the NDX 100 is the weak link here. NDX 100 failed on price, failed on volume yesterday. You're at 116.98, and the kicker out here today is going to be, do you get an expansion of volume just when you're off 10, 11 cents? We'll see if that shakes out. If you do get an expansion of volume, meaning about 15 to 18 million shares, and you stay down there at 16, down 16, down 20 cents, that will set up next week that you start backing down inside the NDX 100. If we go over to the small caps, you take a look at the small caps. What we have with the small caps is that the small caps yesterday did have some volume in them. I expect what you're going to see out here today, the IWM is trading at 122.14. 122.40 wants to get tested. We'll see how that shakes out. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract is trading up $9. You have 133,000 contracts traded, which in both cases, that is good volume. It's good price. The problem with gold is that it can't get up and over 1363, which was the swing high that was generated out here on Tuesday. Bottom line is that, you know, that's 3 days in a row that have been sold off. We'll see if that ends up selling off again out here today. It looks like a little problem. The notes. What do we have with the notes? Bottom line with the notes is that you have it all. These notes, you've done 712,000 contracts right now. We're at 132.25. The last swing point out here is 133.04. What I expect you're going to see is that next week we're going to go after that. And if we take a look at the 30-year, we put the 30-year up. What you're going to see with the 30-year, same type of setup. We've already done 127,000 contracts. You're trading at 173.19. The swing point is going after is 174.22. Now, both the 10 and the 30, they're setting up to go after that, I expect, next Monday. King dollar. What do we have with King dollar? King dollar, when the retail numbers come out, they weren't bad, actually, but King dollar went down, gold went up, market kind of stayed flat. King dollar has already rejected lower price out here this morning. We're at 95.40 right now. It went to 95.19. You are going to have lighter volume. You're going against 35,000 contracts. Right now, we have 13,000 contracts. So we'll come in with about 24,000 contracts. So bottom line, I expect you're going to see a little bit more volatility out here today. The NDX is the one you want to keep your eye on. We'll see whether that does fail on price and volume. And, of course, as we're coming up to 130, we'll see whether gold can end up staying up $8. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051. That's 855-750-4051. Or you can visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Have a great weekend, folks. Look forward to speaking to you right back here, 10 o'clock Monday morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.